What's going on, everyone? Today we are going to be talking about tequila. Not just any tequila though, this is a special bottle of tequila. Now you might be asking yourself, what the hell is this kid doing talking about tequila? Doesn't this channel have a bunch of other videos about Bitcoin, Python, and his obsession with Elon Musk? You would be correct. But today we're talking about a special kind of tequila. Not just any bottle, but Tesla tequila. On November 6, 2020, Tesla released a brand new product to the public. And for the first time ever, this was a product that I might actually be able to afford. The product was not a new car, a new battery pack, or a new version of the solar roof. But instead, on November 6th, Tesla began selling Tesla tequila. Now, a lot of people don't know this, but Tesla actually started selling tequila as far back as 2018. But the tequila that they're selling now is very different from that old tequila bottle. If you haven't seen the bottle yet, take a look. Whether or not you like tequila or alcohol at all, you gotta admit the bottle is pretty cool. And especially for someone like myself who's a huge fan of Tesla and all the stuff they do, this is a pretty awesome souvenir or keepsake. Not to mention, if the Boring Company's not a flamethrower product is any indication, chances are that the value of these tequila bottles is gonna go way up into the future. $250 might seem expensive now, but so did $500 back when the flamethrowers first started selling. Now, unfortunately for most of us, these tequila bottles sold out within minutes of them becoming live on the website. Now, just because the tequila sold out right away doesn't mean that it's impossible to get. On November 17th, 2020, Elon Musk replied to a tweet explaining that more tequila is on the way, hopefully within the next month. Now, it's already been a little over a month and a half from when this tweet was published, but if we've learned anything about Elon timelines, it's that they might not always be accurate, but he usually fulfills just about all of his promises. Eventually. So, what am I left to do in the meantime? If and when the tequila becomes available once again, it's likely to sell out extremely quickly. Now, a lot of people find themselves sitting around waiting for a tweet to come out announcing that the tequila is once again available. But there's actually a way that you can take action now to ensure that you get your tequila right away. In this video, I'm going to show you how I have ensured my capability to purchase this tequila right as it becomes available. And if you stay tuned to the end, I'm going to show you how you can use what I've built to get your own bottle of tequila as soon as they become available. So how exactly can I ensure that you're going to be able to get this tequila as soon as it becomes available? Well, think about it like this. Right now, there are thousands, probably hundreds of thousands of people waiting for Elon to release that tweet announcing that the tequila is once again available. What's likely to occur is that in minutes the tequila will sell out once again. So, the best thing that you can do to ensure that you are ready to purchase that tequila as soon as it becomes available is to put yourself ahead of the game. And how exactly do we do that? A little bit of programming can help. Today, I'm going to show you how I wrote a script that is constantly checking the Tesla website for inventory levels of the tequila bottles. Once the script realizes that tequila is now in stock, it sends me a mass notification through Slack, repeatedly alerting my phone, computers, and all other devices so that I'm aware and can purchase it right away. Let me show you how it works. Future Kyle here. I'm going to show you how I built this script and all the programming nuances. If you're interested in the code, check the description. But if you're just interested in how you can get notified for when Tesla tequila is available, skip to this timestamp in the video and I'll show you how. So all we've done so far is we write a request for two different websites. That is because there's actually two different pages on Tesla's website where they display the Tesla tequila. There's teslatequila.tesla.com, and then there's also shop.tesla.com/blah blah blah, the product page for Tesla tequila. So we don't want to take any chances of them not updating one or more of these pages, and because of that, I'm doing two requests here. And then what this line does is we're trying to see if the words out of stock are not in either one of these pages, then that means it's in stock. If we run this right now, you should see that it prints out of stock because it is unfortunately still out of stock. So the next steps are going to be to add implementation for notifying us via Slack, as well as putting this in a loop, obviously, because we want to check continuously, not just once. Let's get started with that. Alright, so it looks like I was able to get the Slack notification portion of the script working. If you take a look here, I defined a function called send Slack message. Basically takes parameters for the text, that's what you want the message to say, and the channel that you want it to go in. This is a sort of JSON request that we send to the Slack API. Here is the Slack channel over on the left. If I run this script, we can see hello world shows up here from the notification bot. So it looks like the notifier is working. We already know that the request thing is working to check stock. So time to combine the two. Alright, so I think we're at a point where the script is functional. Every time we run this loop, what we're trying to do is query both of those web pages and check both of them for the out of stock text. If they ever come back without that text in the web pages, then we are going to spam Slack messages in the alert group there. Every hour, I'm going to send a service check just so that I know that it's still working. That'll be a good way to keep tabs, because if you stop getting those hourly updates, you'll know, the script has gone down for some reason and you need to check on it. I'm going to run the script here, and if we wait a couple of seconds, we should see the first hourly service check. Yep. Somewhat hourly service check. Looks like it's working. Now, for those of you who don't want to do any programming whatsoever, I'm going to show you how you can get notified as soon as Tequila becomes available without any work on your part. Check out the first link in the description to visit my website where you can sign up to join the Tesla Tequila notification system. For just $5, you're going to be added to the Slack notification channel and get notifications on as many of your devices as you'd like as soon as the tequila becomes available. If you're already someone thinking about spending the $250 to buy this tequila, then I highly implore you to consider this $5 investment so you can be notified right away when it becomes available. And if you don't want to spend the $5, that's totally fine as well. I put the code for free in the description and you can set it up yourself. Just make sure you keep it running at all times. That's all for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Please make sure to like for the YouTube algorithm and hit that subscribe button if you want to see more. Check out some of the other links in the description if you want a free stock from Robinhood, WeBull, or even free Bitcoin from Coinbase. Thanks again for watching and have a good one. Peace.